Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm sitting in my Ford F-150 truck, and I want to do a little update on the bed liner that I did a year ago. Actually, it's probably been a little bit more than a year ago, but here it is. And let me tell you guys, it actually is doing really good. A lot better than I thought it was gonna do for a year. So it's been sitting outside most of the last half a year. Well, actually all its life it's pretty much been outside, but it's been a lot more in the rain and stuff like that because I moved to another location. So there's actually, as you can see over there, there's been a lot of water sitting over there. So, and as you can see, there's a line right there. So there's water been sitting here for over a month at one time where I didn't use the truck. So, but yeah, I didn't use it really heavy this time. This last 6 months I did move and stuff like that, but nothing crazy like metal and heavy things as much. So it actually held up pretty well, as you can see. Since I do have a thicker layer, it seems like it survived better overall. So, and it's not really fading from the sun either. You can see right here there's a little bit of something, but it's not bad. It's holding up good. So as you can see, the tailgate's doing really good too. There's a few like chip offs completely, but those are like high points. There's a pretty good scratch right there. I mean, honestly, it's been doing pretty good overall, I would say. So, and as you can tell, it looks good too still. But there's a little one right there, so not too bad. Honestly, I'm not sure. This might not be the best product out there for the money, but honestly, I've been pretty happy with it. I mean, it definitely does its job. If you don't use your, bed to extremes, this should last just fine. So, and one of the things that I really like about it, it does have a really good grip because of all these highs and lows. It's got more of a, things don't slide around as easy in here. Anyways, guys, so this is 1 year update from when I first installed it. On the 6 months I made a video and I relined the bottom of it with another layer, so that gives me a little thicker layer here too, and I think that's helping a lot. So I'm pretty sure this will last probably another couple years, until it just maybe becomes obsolete, but it could last even longer, so, depending on how you use it. But in any case, I've been very happy with it for what I need it for. Check out my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description of when I first installed it and the 6-month update. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next update, which will probably be in half a year, or maybe I'll just wait a year. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Talk to you later. Peace.